Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kritika. I hope all of you are doing good. So in today's video, we are going to learn how I created this double winged eyeliner. Well, I believe this eye look will suit all skin tones and all eye shapes. And also it is not very difficult to do and it looks really gorgeous. So if you're interested to find out how I created this look, then please continue watching. So I have already prepped my eyes with the concealer and then you can set it with the powder. So for this look I'll be using This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette by Tann Beauty. This is a gorgeous palette. It has all kinds of tones which you will ever need. That is why it is called This Is All I Need eyeshadow palette. So for the transition shade I'm using this light brown shade on a fluffy blending brush and I'm just putting it all over my transition area, which is just above your crease, and I am just blending it using wiping and circular motions. Also, while blending this, I am taking it a little bit outwards to give my eyes some more dimension and shape. Now I'm picking up this dark brown shade and I'm just going to put it on the outer corners of my eyes to give my eyes some more depth. I'm also bringing this shade a little bit on my crease to create more depth. And then I'm going again with my blending brush to diffuse any harsh lines. Now I'm picking up this stunning shimmer shade on my ring finger and I'll just put it across my lid. This is my most favorite shade from this palette actually. Now for my lower lash line, I'm taking the same dark brown shade and I'm just blending it on the lower lash line. Now for the liner, I'm using Nykaa gel liner and here I'm creating the winged eyeliner very thin, like I'm not making it very thick. I'm also taking it forward to my tear duct so that it will look more defined and sharp. Now for the second wing, I'm taking the liner very close to my lash line and after that I'm just taking it a little bit outwards to create a wing. And make sure the length of the lower wing is not longer than the upper wing. Then I'm taking this white kajal, which is from Revolution Pro, and I'm just placing it on my waterline. After that I'm just putting it in the between of both the wings. And you can see the difference that this white kajal is making. And now we are putting on some mascara before putting on the lashes. This is completely an optional step. If you want to add some lashes, you can definitely go for it. Now let me just put on some highlighter and some lipstick and I'll be right back. And with that, here's the final result. I absolutely love this. You also let me know if you like this look or not. Also let me know in the comments below what else do you want to see on my channel so that I could bring that out for you. So if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also connect with me on my social media platforms because I'm more active there. I'll be linking down all the products I used in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. So I'll see you very soon in my next video. Until then, take care.